So as you can see behind me, the lawn, it's pretty much dead. We are on right now. We're on week we're on week 2. Actually, we're about 2.5 coming up on 3 weeks. So it's pretty much dead from front to back. It's all dead. One of the things that I'm going through right now, see, I've already sprayed twice. Yesterday, I decided that I need to spray a third time, which was because, as you can see, I still had some spots that were green from the front to back. There was just a couple of spots. Otherwise, if I didn't really see some of the spots that were green, I probably would have just started the leveling and got some dirt drop. But because I got some green spots, I'm like, I need to spray again. So yesterday I made another round spraying some of the green spots. So we'll give it another couple of days, see if it dies out, and if it doesn't, I have to spray again. But we'll give it a couple of days, see if everything gets died out, and hopefully then we can go to the next step, because I feel like I've been on this spraying step forever. It feels like it's been like a month. It hasn't even been a month. It's only been about 2.5 weeks of doing this. My neighbors, they think I'm crazy, but I want my lawn to look perfect, especially if I'm real mowing. So that's the biggest thing. Real mowing, you want to have the right grass type. You want to have your lawn leveled out to the way you want it to be. So I just wanted to get that all out of the way right now while I'm thinking about it, because like I've said in previous videos, the last 2 years when I've thought about just doing a whole reno, I didn't really have it in me to do it, and this year I'm like, I'm just gonna go all in and just do it. So yeah, but like I said, we did a little spraying. I'll get you guys a little video of me spraying. You'll probably see it here now. But other than that, we're waiting for some dirt, or waiting for it to die, waiting for some dirt to go down. So I would say anyone who's going through a rental process, it's a plane. Give me 1 second.